Microsoft is doing it again, pushing update onto users. Windows 11 24H2, also known as 24 update, is being automatically installed onto eligible devices. So if your PC is running Windows 11 Home or Pro, you might wake up to a new version without even clicking a button. Why am I saying this? Now, if you go to Microsoft official website and check for Windows 11, the version 24H2, known issues and notifications, there is an update released by Microsoft saying that we have reached a new stage in the phased rollout of version 24H2. Eligible devices running Home or Pro editions of Windows 11 version 23H3 and 22H2 will be gradually updated to version 24H2. Below here, as you can see, we have this automatic update target only devices that are not managed by IT department. When Microsoft starts to release these rollout updates, meaning if your device is compatible, the update will download in the background. You will just need to restart your device and complete the process. And why are some users upset with this update? While the updates bring improvement, some users are frustrated because they didn't ask for this update and it can interrupt their workflow. To take control of this update, or if you want to delay the update, you can pause the update in the Windows settings. Just go to your settings, and the settings, you go to Windows Update and select pause update for up to 5 weeks. But remember, eventually Microsoft will push the update through. What do you think about this forced update? Are you okay with Microsoft handling update this way, or would you prefer more control? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.